Yo, peeps, you don't know, say, one of my elder get deep over there, send home in a yard, back from foreign. You know, see it, cause the general, they are foreign long time now, man. Over 20 odd years, you know, come back a yard, you know. Over 29 or 20 something years, you know. Cause it's a elder in him 60s and things, see? So, the elder must see, you know, one little incident and the elder win her money. Nice look of phone and say, yo, I'm gonna look for him family them down a yard cause him name get for send for none of them. Cause everybody at them say send for one you them so them can come help you as a elder over here. You know, see it, him not do that. So he win her money and say I'm gonna spend her money with the family them down there and go braff off and you see me I say catch up back with some mate. You see me I say? So the G finally down a yard now. See? And the G spend about 13 months. You know see it on the green card there. I look like a G now, remember all the system work for a long time, you know, man. So when the G a forward back in a foreigner now, seeing them pull the G one side. And I say, wait, I saw long the vacation, man. Cause the G have all him breadfruit them and beer things and I can't sit in a man. When I bring for me to over here in a man. You see it, the G glad for rich back in that place, in a man. Yeah, man, so then call him one side and say, yo, go on back a vacation, man. We are give back a one ticket. Go on back a Jamaica, man. 13 months by a green card. So, yeah, man, so I saw my G get sent home people. He overstay, him think when them a come back at airport now. Then just say, yo, go on back a vacation. I look like I don't know, so you love and cherish. Yeah, man, but the G ain't feel no way to you know, cause a elder and him have a little monthly check where him a get, so him sweet, man. And yo, I tell you, we are Jamaica sweet, you know, people. You good on there, you know, if you know, keep tabs on your time, you know, you will forget it, you know. And down there, you know, all long, you know. Cause general down there 13 months, you know, forget about foreigner, you know. Or over foreigner, you know. John know my general. Go and hold it, my general, see? Cause I don't like, we see none how we get deep down your back, you know. Yeah, man. Go and hold it, my family, see? Yeah, man, more life, more strength.